How do you make the molecular orbital diagram for the Be2 plus molecule? Start by drawing in the highest energy atomic orbitals associated with each individual beryllium atom. By looking at the periodic table, we can see that the electron configuration for beryllium is equal to 1s2, 2s2, showing us that the highest energy atomic orbitals in beryllium are the 2s atomic orbitals. We can start our diagram by drawing in these 2s atomic orbitals for beryllium at the same exact energy level. Then, because we start with 2 atomic orbitals, we must also make 2 molecular orbitals. One of these molecular orbitals will be higher in energy, and the other will be lower in energy than the atomic orbitals. The one that is lower in energy is a bonding molecular orbital, called the sigma 2s bonding molecular orbital, and the one that is higher in energy is an anti-bonding molecular orbital, called the sigma 2s star anti-bonding molecular orbital. Remember to connect your original atomic orbitals with your newly formed molecular orbitals in the middle. Next, we need to fill in our diagram with valence electrons. Each beryllium atom has 2 valence electrons. However, because our molecule is a cation, one of these beryllium atoms needs to also become a cation. It doesn't matter which one, but for our purposes, we'll just choose the one on the left. This means that this beryllium atom will only have 1 valence electron, meaning the Be2 plus molecule will have a total of 3 electrons by adding up this 1 and the 2. So we'll put this 1 electron into this atomic orbital, and these 2 electrons into this atomic orbital on the right. After we do this, 2 electrons must fall into our lowest energy molecular orbital according to the off-bout principle, and we'll fill this one up first. Then the remaining 1 electron will rise into our higher energy anti-bonding molecular orbital. And this is your completed molecular orbital diagram for Be2 plus. Next, let's calculate the bond order of Be2 plus. The bond order is a measure of the strength and stability of a bond and tells you how many electron pairs are present in a bond. It is equal to 1/2 times the number of bonding electrons, which are found in the sigma 2s bonding molecular orbital, minus the number of anti-bonding electrons, which are found in the sigma 2s star anti-bonding molecular orbital. For Be2 plus, there are 2 bonding electrons minus 1 anti-bonding electron. 1/2 times 1 is equal to 1/2, which means that half of a single bond, or 1/2 of an electron pair, or 1 electron, is present in a bond between the beryllium atoms in a Be2 plus molecule. Finally, is the molecule Be2 plus paramagnetic or is it diamagnetic? Because there's an unpaired electron that exists in the anti-bonding molecular orbital, this means that Be2 plus will express paramagnetism. And we can say it is paramagnetic. This means that Be2 plus will be weakly attracted to an external magnetic field. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.